Okay, finally able to finish the final touches on my 3D printed pickleball paddle. What I want to do is I ordered from Pickle. Pickle has, their paddles have replaceable skins. They're designed if your skin wears out, instead of having to replace your paddle, you just put a new skin on it. I thought that I could use these to give at least some sort of texture to the face of the paddle. It's not going to be an exact fit, but it'll be something. It'll be something. So get that on there, and then I also have some overgrips that, because right now I just have a bare plastic handle. Put an overgrip on. It might take two, actually. I don't know. We'll try one and see how it goes from there. Put those on and see what it looks like afterwards. I have the skin on, the pickle skin. Not a perfect fit, but covers, 90% of the paddle, so that's fine. And I had a leftover edge guard sitting around, so I put that on as well. Just got to do the overgrip.
Wow.
And there she is. Have an overgrip. I just put one overgrip on it because I first have to see if this thing holds up at all. I have no idea if it's going to survive a session or not, but next thing you'll see is me playing with this 3D printed paddle, and we'll see what happens.
Oh, wow. It's so heavy, you don't even feel the ball hardly. Sounds pretty good. Whoa! The short throw. I'm sure there's no touch whatsoever. Oh, man. Yeah, look at that touch. Wow.
I know that footage was pretty minimal, didn't give you a great idea. That was just me warming up. I did use that paddle for 2 games. 2 games, yes. I described it to my buddies that I was playing with as feeling like I was hitting a finishing nail with a sledgehammer, sort of, because of the weight of that paddle. It actually weighs 12.5 ounces. Just for reference, a normal pickleball paddle that I play with normally weighs around 8 ounces, so it was extremely heavy. But playable, actually. Like I said, I used it for 2 games. I won 1 game, I lost the game. My plan was to keep using it until I lost, and I lost the second game, so I switched back to a normal paddle. The paddle did not break. The paddle actually felt surprisingly sturdy. I printed that paddle with the Bamboo Lab PLA Tough filament, and at least so far it feels good. If you look at my YouTube channel, you'll see that there'll be another video that has more play footage, including the 2 games that I use the 3D printed paddle. So you might want to check that out. But yeah, interesting experiment, and we'll see how long it goes. I'll play with it here and there, just why not? Kind of fun experiment. Printed on my Bamboo Lab H2S that you see right here. So that's it. Fun and functional prints. That is part of the 3D printing hobby.